Hello my friends. Today we are making a very easy roast pork tenderloin. You will find it to be super delicious and tender. There are so many things you can do with pork tenderloin. Let's start with 2 1/4 pounds of pork tenderloin. Preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then let's put our tenderloins into a Ziploc bag. You're next going to pour 1/4 cup of olive oil into the bag. Top that with 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Next, add 3 cloves of garlic that's finely chopped. Add 4 stems of fresh thyme. That really adds to the flavor. And then we want 2 teaspoons of coriander. Of course, we want a little heat, so let's add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne. And then sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt. And I use kosher salt. And don't forget our freshly ground pepper. Let's add 1/4 teaspoon. Now take fresh basil and tear them into pieces. You're going to want about 1/4 cup. Now these really do add to the flavor, so don't leave them out. Now zip the bag up and squeeze the air out. Then move the pork around in the bag to thoroughly coat it in the marinade. And you're going to refrigerate it overnight or at least for 2 hours. After the pork is marinated, place it in a baking dish and you're going to bake it for 45 minutes or until it's reached an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Thanks for joining me today. Now would be a good time to subscribe to my channel to support me. Be sure and select that black bell. You will then be notified of all my new videos. Well, it's been 45 minutes and our roast is 145 degrees internal temperature. So let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting into it. That will keep all the juices internally. Look at that roast. Isn't it the easiest, most delicious pork tenderloin you have seen? You've got to give it a try.